Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Roblox account has voice chat enabled and age verification is completed. Next, open your operating system and browser permissions and allow microphone access for Roblox. On Windows, check Privacy Microphone. Once done, close Roblox fully and relaunch the app or browser tab, because a fresh start clears transient permission locks. You should then join a private server to run an immediate initial test without other players, so you can observe whether audio input registers. Now you dig into the middle steps that usually fix persistent issues. First, verify the correct microphone is selected in both Roblox voice settings and your OS sound control panel. Switching devices can reveal driver conflicts. Make sure your audio drivers and the Roblox client are up to date, and temporarily close background apps that might lock the mic, like conferencing tools. Then clear the Roblox cache or reinstall the app. And if network jitter is present, use a wired connection to reduce packet loss that breaks voice. To finish, perform a controlled verification. Join a test session with a friend or a secondary account and confirm both transmit and receive paths. If you still see issues, enable diagnostic logging in the client or capture a system audio loopback to show the problem, then contact Roblox support with those logs. Make sure to toggle voice chat off and on after each change so you can tell which action fixed or worsened the issue. If nothing helps, consider creating a fresh OS user profile as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.